In this video, we'll be discussing mounting and operating the quick clamps of your CRC system. The quick clamps, whether you have the standard or the extra large version, come in a kit like this with instructions and contents listed on the front and back of the card on the inside of the bag. Inside the bag, you'll find your quick clamps, optional spacer pads, a hex key, our security tool or security wrench, and 3 different size bolts for custom fit on your roof rack. Please also remember we do have our user manual, which has further instructions and tips on using the system. The CRC system can be mounted in any of its 4 telescopic lengths. For demonstration in this video, we'll be mounting on the half length of the CRC. To extend, please follow the instructions found in your user manual or in the extension video on our website. Here you'll see the CRC system extended in its half length position. On the bottom of the unit, you'll see our T-slots. The T-slots exist on all 4 of the aluminum tubes. Before mounting, ensure you have the correct bolt length for your desired fit of your crossbar. This means when swung over your crossbar, make sure that the bolt is not sticking through too far, making contact with the roof of your vehicle. Pick the correct bolt size for your vehicle. If you need to replace this bolt for a better fit, use the included hex key, loosen, remove the bolt, and replace with the proper bolt for your desired fit. Be sure to snug the top of the bolt against the barrel nut on the inside of the clamp firmly. To mount your CRC, we recommend first loosely installing the clamps on your desired tubes based on the spacing of your roof rack and the fit of the CRC on top of your vehicle that you desire. To mount, loosen the nuts, actuate the T-nut, and slide into position. Repeat the process for the second clamp. Once you have your clamps loosely installed on the tubes of the CRC system, you're ready to take it out to your vehicle and set it on top of your roof rack. Just bring it outside, set it on just like this, and you're then able to move the clamps into position based on the spacing of your crossbars. To mount on your vehicle, swing the arm of the clamp around the crossbar of your roof rack and move the pivot nut piece into position, and then tighten the security keyed nut. Be sure you have the lock washers installed to prevent this from rattling loose. Once you have the clamps finger tight, use the included security nut key and clamp until snug. You do not need to over tighten, as our clamps have rubber overmolded sections against your crossbar and making contact to the aluminum, preventing them from slipping. Ensure a snug fit by testing and ensure that the clamps do not move on your roof rack or on the CRC. Repeat the process for your second clamp. And when you're done, you can use our security nut key as a bottle opener, a key ring, or it stores very conveniently inside the housing of the CRC as shown.